Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI Desktop tutorial. We cover so far how to use the backend Power Query Editor, and then we understand how to build your models, data model based on the primary and foreign key, and also how to run your functions using DAX. And now we are going to talk about the report view and how you start building your report. We'll spend most of the time how to build your report and dashboard. Building your report is depend on your purpose and the goal you want to achieve. There is 100 of visuals you can do, but it depends on your purpose and your client and the purpose that you want to achieve. Okay, so let's gonna start simply now for the first lecture. And we're gonna spend most of the time using insert function and view. Within insert function, you have visuals, AI visuals, Power Platform, and elements, and also you have a view. Within a view, you can build the first thing we can do. If you click on here, for example, let's gonna remove that. The first thing you need to put on the right side, you have data, builds, format, bookmark, selection. So you can see all of these selections are going to be on the right side, and you can remove them from here. So anytime you insert anything, you can just click on it and you will have it from here. This is the first thing, allow you to manipulate your data easily. So as we said, it depends on your purpose and the purpose for this goal to build for dashboard. So it's gonna start change. You have the layout from here, you can change the name. The first one will be for, this is for executive dashboard. Okay, the first layout, we have executive dashboard. The second one will be for map. This is for map and product. This is product detail, and 1, 2, 3. And the fourth one will be for customer detail. This is for customer detail. Okay, so you have this executive dashboard for managers and map, product, and then customer details. Within the executive, we're gonna go executive dashboard. In here, I'm gonna put the first thing we need to put the image from here. Just click on the image and then go for format image. You have from style, and you can go for from style, click on the image, and you'll see you have to browse your image, and you can choose any image that you want. I'm gonna put this logo, and you can drag it from here, make it smaller. You can click on it, and you can change the size if you want from here. Example, this is make it 100, and the width make it 200. So it depends on your purpose. And then gonna back from insert, gonna put some shape in here. This is one, keep it here, and double click, and then you go for format shape. I'm gonna put this, the height is 400, the width can make it 225. So you can change whatever you want, and then you have it from here, have shape and style. You can change the shape if you want, you can keep it high, and you have the full. You can change the color if you want, and keep it this dark gray. And also I'm gonna keep it for this purpose. I'm gonna make it copy and paste. You can copy this shape, 1, 2, 3. So you have in here 4 shape to arrange the upper part, and you can just highlight all of them and go for format, align, horizontal distribution, and then align, go for top center, and then go for this is align right, align top. So you can align them at the top, and you can adjust them just using your mouse, whatever you like. Keep it at the top, and just gonna put some also back from insert shape. You have rectangular, regular rectangular, and can keep it from here, can keep it on that side. Okay, click on it, go back to the format shape. You can change the size, the color if you want. You're gonna keep the height, just the width, make it 30 if you want, and then we have to change. We're gonna go for change the color, shape style, and keep it same this one. And you can manipulate these whatever you like and make it smaller. Okay. If you need to rename all these inserted so you can easy to understand which one you just inserted, go for from here. You have selection. So this is the first image. If you highlight, you see this is the logo. You can just double click on it, and this is logo. This is the image's logo, and you have the shaping from here on the side. This is the left. You can just double click. This is left navigation, and can make all these rectangular shapes with one group. You can just highlight them 1, 2, 3, 4, and right click with your mouse and then group. You can go for a group, so you have a group on them, and you can change the name from here if you like. This is for KBL. You can name it KBL. This is background. KBL background. Okay. So this is the simple thing for your how to start our dashboard. Go from here and save your dashboard. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.